In this activity, we're going to learn how to work with layers and resize objects. In my main screen, I have the different parts of a bed. Each image is in a different layer. If we look at the right-hand side of the screen, you can see my layers panel. There are 6 layers in this project: the bed frame, bear, mattress, duvet cover, headboard and pillow. I want to combine these layers to make an image of a made bed. To do that, I select the layer that I want to move around, and then I can click on the Move tool in the left-hand side of the screen, click on the image I want to move and move it around the page. In old versions of Photoshop, if you had the different layer selected, it would move around that layer regardless of where you were clicking. In newer versions of Photoshop, even if I select the wrong layer, for example the mattress, and then I click on the bed frame, it reselects the bed frame. This is a new feature in new versions of Photoshop. What I'd like to do is first move the bed frame into the center of the screen. Now I can select the mattress layer and move the mattress onto the bed. But we can see it's moved behind the bed. The reason for this is it's below the bed frame layer. To change this, click on the mattress and move the layer up in the arrangement of layers in the layers panel. Now you can click on the mattress and move it into place. We can now resize the mattress by clicking Edit and either Free Transform or Transform, which lets you select individual options. For this one we'd need Scale, but I'm just going to use Free Transform, which lets me do lots of different things with the same command. Click Free Transform and I can move the corners of the image to make the mattress fit the bed frame. If I move further out so the cursor changes to a bended arrow, I can move it around this way. So I can place the mattress on the bed and resize it to the size that I need. It doesn't have to be perfect. When I'm ready, I can click the check mark in the top of the screen to apply my transformation. I can do this with the other layers. So right now I'll take hold of the duvet cover and I'll place that onto the bed. I will move the duvet cover to the top layer and then go to Edit, Free Transform, and I can move the duvet cover and resize as needed. Now the duvet cover doesn't fit exactly. This is where the individual transformation tools come in handy. So I'll click the check mark to apply that and then go to Edit, Transform and Skew. This allows me to drag certain parts of the image and resize the kind of shape of them. There we go. Click the check to accept that and then Edit, Free Transform, and I'll change the width. Looks like I'll have to use the Skew tool again. There we go, until it's the right size. It's trial and error. There we go. That will do. I'm happy enough with that. Click the check mark to accept the transformation and then add the other pieces. So now I'll start with the headboard. I'll click on the headboard layer and move the headboard behind the mattress and duvet cover. You can see the headboard is towards the bottom of my layers. The pillow needs to go on top, so I'll move the pillow to the top layer and then I can click and move the pillow. It's quite a large pillow, so I'll resize that by going to Edit, Free Transform, and resize that pillow and put it in place. Finally, I'll take the bear move that and edit the layers so it's the very top layer, and then I'll place that at the top of the bed, edit, free transform, resize the bear, put it in place, click the check mark. And there I've resized and edited the layers to make the bed. And that's the end of the activity.